Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
For like a second or two. And then she just immediately slammed on brakes.
That's when things escalated to her banging up the car and yelling out threats and obscenities.
At what point she ripped my windshield wiper off. At one point she busted the windshield.
Miano says through it all, she was just focused on getting home safely to her family.
There's no calming down the situation when people are that upset.
Police say the woman on the hood is Nancy Campagnino. During the incident, Miano says multiple cars pulled over to help. That includes one man who took Campagnino's keys out of her car.
She eventually, after she broke my windshield, did try to get back in her car and drive off. When she realized she couldn't do that, she got back out of her car and approached him.
Miano says he put Campagnino into a hold until police arrived shortly after and took her into custody. Miano says at the end of the day, her car can be fixed, and she's just glad that everybody is safe.
Everyone in the world deserves a little grace and patience nowadays.